Hello everyone, this is Tanfon solar. Today we are testing 10 kilowatt solar system for our customer. This is the 10 kilowatt inverter for 48 DC voltage, and this is the 300 ampere hours lithium battery. Here is the lithium battery, the screen, so you can see any information here on the display. This is the information, capacity, voltage for the lithium battery, and you also can see the temperature, also the battery surge voltage. As you can see, our lithium battery already connect with our inverter. Here we want to show you how to connect the complete solar system. And here is our 10 kilowatt inverter. Here is the battery positive and negative connection. And here is AC input. AC input, it means to connect with the grid power. And AC output, it means to connect with the house supplier. And here is the PV input. It means the inverter has the built-in controller, so it can connect with the solar panel directly. And our inverter also have the communication with our lithium battery, so they can match each other better. Our lithium battery also have the VMS communication control system, so it is intelligent to monitor the data on your phone or on your computer. If you have any information about our product, you have any question, you can contact us.